Hi, this is LmKeith at BISH'S in Junction City, Oregon, and I'm going to show you this little Jayco J-Flight STX. This great little trailer, you can pull it with just about anything and go just about anywhere. You could take it to the coast, you could take it to the mountains. It's got plenty of room, you're self-contained, you can do just about anything with this little guy, and you've got great awning. Right now I don't have this hooked up to power, but that's okay because we'll show you everything in here anyway. It's got lots of windows so you can see just about everything. Got a nice little kitchenette, little fridge, microwave, stovetop, great dinette, and bunks in the back for the kids, which is fabulous because kids love bunks. They make their own little fort back there. Small little dinette that can be a single bed. We've got the queen up in the front. This is the nice queen bed, and you can lift up. There is storage that you can access from outside and inside. Got a nice little dinette, storage up above, shades, bunks for the kids, little kitchen, microwave, stovetop. Got the great fridge, plenty of room in there. And freezer, plenty of room for the kids' popsicles or ice cream bars. I would prefer an ice cream bar. And poo fell over, that's not good. So we've got these great bunks for the kids back here. You know, every kid loves a bunk. They can put all their gear in there, and even when the kids aren't with you, tons of storage. You can put all your sleeping bags, and it is wide enough. You can put your chairs in there, plenty of room. But when the kids are here, you gotta let them make the fort. So we got the nice little compact bathroom. It's got your toilet, it's got your toilet and shower. Nice little mirror. You will have to use the sink out here for washing up. But for a little family and going anywhere, this is a great unit. So then, this is Lisa at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and this is the J-Flight STX by Jayco 2022. If you have any questions, give us a call.